That ends the book Qaida Nuraniyah. I know I have skipped through a lot of things and I rushed through the book. I just wanted to make the videos as short as possible and straight to the point, inshallah. There are a lot of things I don't know how to teach that are mentioned that are supposed to be taught along with each lesson, but I don't know how to teach certain things and I don't know how to put certain things into words, so please forgive me for skipping over some stuff. But I hope that what I have said is of benefit to you, and inshallah, if you knew nothing, now you know something, and it will help you in your journey to learning the Quran bi'idhnillah. And don't forget, there are a few more things that you need to learn to be able to read properly bi'idhnillah, with another teacher, maybe online, but hopefully in person. You can go and learn how to read Quran from someone that knows more than me and knows how to teach better, inshallah. Inshallah you benefit, inshallah you can share them, let people learn how to read Quran at a minimum level, and inshallah your knowledge increases. Like we said at the beginning of the book, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Taha, ayah 114, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَقُلْ رَبِّ زِدْنِي عِلْمًا. Say, O Allah, increase my knowledge. And again, there is a hadith. It says, سَلُ اللَّهُ عِلْمًا نَافِعًا وَتَعُوذُوا بِاللَّهِ مِنْ عِلْمٍ لَا يَنْفَعًا. Ask Allah for beneficial knowledge and seek refuge in Allah from knowledge that will not benefit. Jazakumullah khairan for your time, for your patience, and may Allah reward you for coming this far, and inshallah you continue your journey on learning the glorious Quran. May Allah make it easy for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.